I'm a land hermit crab. Crabs are crustaceans. Where do you live? Land hermit crabs live in tropical areas. We like sandy beaches. What do you eat? Land hermit crabs eat almost anything. We like leaves, wood, and grass. I like your claws. I can grab food with my small claw. I can climb with my big claw. Why do you have that shell? A part of our body is soft. The shell protects that part. Where do you get your shells? We find our shells on the beach. Land hermit crabs grow a lot, so sometimes we need to find bigger shells. Do you live alone? Land hermit crabs live in groups. We help each other find food and shells. Shells are hard to find. I see a bigger shell now. Goodbye. Goodbye, land hermit crab.